Did you know that just 5 minutes of cycling a day can change your life? It might sound too good to be true, but science backs it up. Cycling is one of the best ways to boost cardiovascular health, burn fat, and improve endurance. Studies show that short bursts of high-intensity cycling can provide many of the same benefits as longer workouts, making fitness more accessible for everyone. Meet the Carol Bike, a revolutionary AI-powered stationary bike designed for maximum results in minimal time. It promises to transform your fitness in just 5 minutes a day. Sounds crazy, right? But let's break it down and see why this bike is gaining so much attention in the fitness world. We all know how hard it is to stay consistent with exercise. Long work hours, family responsibilities, and endless to-do lists make it nearly impossible to squeeze in a 45-minute gym session. Many people start fitness routines with enthusiasm, but struggle to keep up due to time constraints. But what if all you needed was 5 minutes? The Carol Bike provides a solution for busy individuals who want to stay fit without sacrificing time. By cutting out long, grueling workouts and replacing them with scientifically optimized short sessions, it brings fitness into your daily life with ease. The Carol Bike uses AI to personalize short but powerful cycling sessions. It's based on reduced exertion, high-intensity interval training, REHIT, which research suggests can provide the same benefits as a 45-minute jog in just 5 to 10 minutes. The bike's smart technology adjusts resistance levels in real time, optimizing every second of your workout to push your body to its peak performance. Even better, it tracks your progress, adapting each session to your fitness level so that you always get the most efficient workout possible. Whether you're a beginner or an athlete, Carol's AI ensures your rides are tailored specifically for you. User 1. I was skeptical at first, but after a few weeks, I noticed a real difference in my energy levels and endurance. I no longer feel exhausted halfway through my workday. User 2. As a busy professional, I love that I can stay fit without rearranging my schedule. 5 minutes on the Carol Bike and I feel accomplished. User 3. I've tried so many workout programs, but this is the only one that fits into my lifestyle without making me feel guilty for skipping a day. One study found that users who committed to just 5 minutes on the Carol Bike 3 times a week improved their cardiovascular health by 12% in just 8 weeks. But that's not all. Other users have reported increased endurance, faster metabolism, and even weight loss with consistent use. Imagine what that could mean for your overall fitness and energy levels. No more guilt about missing long gym sessions. This is fitness redefined. The Carol Bike isn't just about efficiency, it's also packed with features to enhance your fitness journey. With built-in heart rate monitoring, real-time progress tracking, and seamless integration with popular fitness apps, it ensures that you stay on top of your goals effortlessly. Plus, the sleek and modern design makes it a stylish addition to any home gym. So, can you get fit in just 5 minutes a day? With the Carol Bike, the answer is yes. Small, consistent efforts can lead to big transformations. Whether you're looking to boost your endurance, lose weight, or simply feel more energized, this bike makes it possible. What do you think? Would you try a 5-minute workout? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about more fitness gadgets that can make your workouts more efficient, check out this video next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and fitness tips.